Seeing an F0 error on your Gree air conditioner? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly what's causing it and how to fix it. In most cases, the F0 error means your system is low on refrigerant, usually because of a refrigerant leak. Before adding refrigerant, we need to find and repair the leak, otherwise the same error will come right back. Now that the leak has been repaired, we're ready to move on to the next step. Next, we'll pull a deep vacuum to remove any air and moisture from the system. This Gree unit uses R410. Now we'll charge it with the correct amount. While charging, always keep an eye on the system pressure and follow the manufacturer's specifications. Once the charging is complete, we'll power the unit back on and check the display. As you can see, the F0 error is gone and the air conditioner is cooling properly again. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more HVAC repair tips.